Dog ear infections are a common issue that can cause discomfort, itching, redness, and odor. Understanding effective treatments can help keep your dog's ears healthy and comfortable. Apple cider vinegar helps fight bacteria and yeast in your dog ears, reducing infection and promoting overall ear health. Add 3 or 4 drops of diluted apple cider vinegar to your dog ears to help reduce bacteria and yeast. Then, using a clean paper towel, gently wipe the outer part of the ears, being careful not to touch or irritate the infected area. Slowly and gently clean around the ear to remove any debris, ensuring the process is safe and comfortable for your dog. Dog enzymatic ear solution soothes ear infections, reducing redness and inflammation for pets of all ages. Its gentle, no-sting formula helps ease painful ear infections caused by bacteria, fungi, and yeast. This solution provides a safe, natural alternative to harsh medications, offering effective itch relief while supporting overall ear health. Regular use can help prevent future infections and maintain clean, comfortable ears for your dog. Coconut oil has natural antibacterial and antifungal properties that help soothe and heal your dog ear infections. Add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil into a pot, then add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Gently warm the mixture until the coconut oil melts. Pour the solution into a bowl and draw it into a syringe. Tilt your dog ear flat back and carefully drop 5 to 10 drops into the ear canal. Repeat this process twice a day for 7 to 10 days. After applying the drops, gently massage the ear, pressing down along the ear canal, where the infection is present to help the solution reach the affected area. Treya's Ultra Flush solution is designed to gently rinse your dog's ears, removing dirt, wax, and buildup that can lead to infections. Its soothing formula helps calm redness and irritation, while creating an environment less favorable for bacteria and yeast. This gentle rinse keeps your dog ears feeling comfortable and supports overall ear health. Regular use can help keep your dog's ears clean and prevent recurring problems. If the problem persists despite home care, it is important to have your dog checked by a veterinarian. A professional examination can identify the underlying cause of the ear infection and ensure your pet receives the appropriate treatment to prevent complications. By following these remedies and maintaining regular ear care, you will help relieve discomfort, prevent future infections, and ensure your dog's ears stay clean, healthy, and happy.